Staying connected has never been easier thanks to messaging apps like Telegram. If you're new to the world of Telegram and wondering how to create an account, fear not. In this step-by-step guide, we'll walk you through the process in simple words, ensuring that you can join the millions of users enjoying the benefits of this popular messaging platform. The first step in creating your Telegram account is to download the app on your device. Telegram is available for free on both Android and iOS platforms. Simply head to the Google Play Store if you're using an Android device or the App Store. If you're on iOS, search for Telegram in the search bar, locate the app, and hit the download button. Once the download is complete, open the app on your device. The installation process is usually automatic, so you won't need to worry about complex settings. Just wait for the app to install, and you'll find the Telegram icon on your home screen. Tap on the Telegram icon to open the app. You'll be greeted with a welcome screen, prompting you to either log in if you already have an account or sign up if you're a new user. Since we're creating a new account, tap on the sign up option. Telegram, like many other messaging apps, uses your phone number to create an account. Enter your phone number in the provided field. Make sure to include your country code and double-check that the number is correct. Click once you've entered your phone number, tap the next button. After entering your phone number, Telegram will send you a verification code via SMS. Check your messages for the code and enter it into the app. This step ensures that the phone number you provided is accurate and that you have access to it. Once the code is verified, tap Next. And now comes the fun part, personalizing your Telegram account. Enter your first and last name and choose a profile picture if you wish. Your profile picture is what others will see when they interact with you on Telegram, so pick something that represents inspiration. Once you've filled in the details, tap Next. Congratulations, you've successfully created your Telegram account. You can now start exploring the app's features and settings. Telegram has a user-friendly interface with various icons and options. Just take some time to familiarize yourself with the app, and don't hesitate to explore different chat options, channels, and groups. Telegram allows you to connect with friends and family by syncing your contacts. The app will prompt you to grant permission to access your contacts, making it easy to find people you know who are already using Telegram. You can choose to add contacts individually or invite them to join Telegram if they haven't already. To make your Telegram experience more tailored to your preferences, explore the app's settings. You can adjust notification preferences, privacy settings, and customize the appearance of the app. Telegram offers a range of options to ensure that your experience aligns with your needs and preferences. Telegram is more than just a messaging app. It offers a variety of features that set it apart. Take advantage of options like voice and video calls, sending files, creating and joining groups, and subscribing to channels of interest. The app continually updates, introducing new features to enhance user experience. So, keep an eye out for any exciting additions. In just a few simple steps, you've successfully created your Telegram account and joined a vast community of users around the world. I'm Stanley. Whether you're using Telegram for personal or professional communication, the app's user-friendly interface and diverse features make it a popular choice for many. Now that you're part of the Telegram family, enjoy connecting with others, sharing content, and exploring the endless possibilities this messaging platform has to offer.